Welcome back. Continuing the news. There has been an increase in the number of diabetics presenting with kidney disease. Shamela Pullen tells us more in the health report.
Double trouble. Poorly controlled diabetes can cause damage to blood vessel clusters in the kidneys that filter waste from your body. This can lead to kidney damage. Professor Everett Barton is the chairman of the Caribbean Institute of Nephrology. Professor Barton explains that 60% of all diabetics would have some form of kidney disease.
The patients are being referred earlier to us because quite a lot of our doctors, the general practitioners are sensitized to early kidney disease, and they therefore refer the patients early to us. Secondly, we are seeing in the society, we are seeing more obesity and more diabetes associated with that. So I think those two factors are contributing to us seeing more patients with diabetes.
The average age group seen are those in their 40s, who are mainly men. Professor Barton says anyone with diabetes is open to a wide range of complications, and kidney disease is one of them. This places tremendous mental stress on the affected individual. Professor Barton says this is an area that often goes unrecognized in the clinics.
You see depression. You see people thinking that they don't have long to live. Some people actually give up work. Some get so depressed that they may just not take their medications at all and said, I don't see the need to do so. So this impacts tremendously on the mental status of these patients.
The nephrologist is advising diabetics to check for protein in their urine. This, he says, should be at least once every 6 months. Meanwhile, diabetics are reminded to maintain a healthy lifestyle.
Proper control of the diabetes and any associated comorbidities like hypertension and so on, weight loss, and they must take the medication, the particular type of medication prescribed by their doctors. And I would add that if some patients are not happy with the medication they're taking, if there are any side effects, they shouldn't just stop the medication and stay home. They should go and see their doctor, say what the side effects are, and these can be changed.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.